day one of our winter break. We've got like 10 or 11 days off, but today is the only day out of that break where we're able to find daycare for Millie, which means this is the only day we can get out for a bike ride. It's really been ages since we've gotten out for a ride. You know, really since adopting Millie. By the time we get to a weekend, she's really ready to get out for some hikes, and we can't go biking with her, so we really just haven't been doing much biking. Today I'm remembering a lot about winter biking, and you can't really have your cake and eat it too. If you go out on a warmer day like today, you're dealing with this really soft terrain that just sucks the energy right out of you. Go out on a colder day, the trail is nice and frozen, but it's freezing cold out.